welcome back to my channel. So for today, we'll be doing something again in my studio here, and the idea came from my dress. As I told you before in my last video, I think I said it before, but yeah, whenever I dress, I try to match my scrunchie. And when I wore this dress, this is my rainbow dress. I will show you. So it looks like this. This is my rainbow dress. There. This is my rainbow dress that I bought from Thailand. And while I was dressing for it, I was thinking, I don't have a scrunchie to match my dress. So I thought, why won't I make like a rainbow scrunchie? And I tried to search for fabric, like good rainbow colored fabric, and I really can't find anything. And I don't want to go out like explore shops and look for that fabric. So I thought I'll just make a rainbow fabric from what I have. I do have a lot of colored satins. I have a total of 35 colors of satin fabric. So I can maybe for sure I have like the 6 colors of 7 colors of the rainbow, but we'll make it 6 because I was thinking it will look like the pride flag, and it's Pride month this month. It's June, so I think it's fitting. So yeah, I thought it's a good idea. So I will just like join those fabric colors together and create like a rainbow fabric. So that's what I'm gonna do today. We're gonna make an oversized, a regular, and a skinny scrunchie with rainbow colors. So fun. So yeah, let's start. First we'll be choosing the colors. So let's head over to my scrunchie tub. So here is my scrunchie tub. This is where I keep all my ready-made scrunchies. These are all for wholesale. And we have Kai here. Hi, Kai. So yeah, so I'm thinking first and foremost red. I'll be using our rose scrunchie. All our scrunchies are named after flowers. So this one is rose, this one is red, and then of course orange tulip. This is called tulip. And I'm thinking if I should use like this yellow carnation or this yellow carnation. Oh, this is marigold. Maybe marigold is better. So this is marigold, rose, tulip, marigold. Next is green. I'm thinking this one. All our green scrunchies are named after leaves. So this is monstera, and then blue. I think this one is much better. This is called gentian. And then purple. I'm not sure which purple should I use, because we have this purple and this purple. This one is warmer and this one is cold. This looks more like indigo, right? So there's 7. But no, we only need 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 6. See, there. 6 colors. This one's. Alright, so I have here 6 colors because we'll be following the colors of the pride flag. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. I do have my fabric here. So let me just cut the fabric and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we now have our fabric, our pieces of fabric. So what's left is to sew them together. Okay, so I have like 2 pieces of fabric for each color. One I cut with 5-inch width, and then the other one is 6.5 inches width. Because for the oversized scrunchie, the overall length is 40 inches. So 6.5 times 6 colors is around 39 inches. And then for the regular and the skinny scrunchies, the length is 30 inches. So like just divide by 6 and it's 5. Okay, so time to sew. I'll sew all of these together and make like one whole rainbow fabric. I also would need to like zigzag stitch on each seam that I make, and then press it all flat with a flat iron so that the fabric will be nice and flat. I'm done. This is the rainbow fabric. It's satin and it's shiny and it's really pretty. It's really pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. You see? Really, really, very, very pretty. Woo! Okay, so what I do next is I'm gonna iron it flat on the seams here so that it's almost invisible. Like the stitch is, I made it so tiny, it's like almost invisible. It's like just one whole fabric of colors, and then I'll cut it on scrunchie sizes. So for oversized, that's 6 inches, and then for regular, that's 4.5 inches, and then for the skinny scrunchie, that's 3 inches. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, Jingle, this is the fabric for the scrunchie now. So this is for oversized. So as usual, we'll do the burrito method, and we'll sew this part first, and then zigzag stitches always, and then we'll do the burrito method for all the scrunchies. Okay, this is for the skinny one, and this is for the regular size scrunchies. I'm so excited. We'll do that now. Alright, so the scrunchie burritos are all done. So we have 3, and the next step will be to turn this over and then put elastic on it. We'll be using 1/2 inch elastic for all 3 scrunchies. So yeah, let me just, this is the oversized one. I left a gap on the red section for all 3, so we can sew the label there, and I can like use red thread for all 3 scrunchies to close up that gap. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this very large safety pin, and then thread the elastic through the tube. This looking so pretty, so pretty. Make sure the elastic is not overturned inside. We don't want that. And then we'll be attaching super glue. This is like just a temporary hold so that we can sew the elastic. Can you see what I'm doing? Not sure. So we're gonna fix the elastic. We're gonna sew the elastic together, and then we're gonna close the gap here, that hole, and then sew our label. So this is our Dainty label. It's very tiny for scrunchies, especially for our scrunchies. So yeah, that's the last step, and then we're done. The scrunchies are done! So this is the oversized one. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And this is the regular size one. Look at that little tiny label. It's so cute. So cute. So cute. And this is the mini one. Okay, wait, sorry. So, oversized, regular, skinny. Yay! So those are 3 sizes of rainbow scrunchies. I am thinking I would name this LUVIE. LUVIE scrunchies. Oh my god, so this is gonna be up on our Dainty boutique page soon. I will upload this soon, so if you want one, you can visit our page and you can buy one if you like. Wait, I want to try it on my hair. So let's take this white scrunchie out, and I'm just gonna gather my hair into a bun like so, and then I'm gonna use the oversized scrunchie there. Oh my gosh, look at all the colors, and it matches my dress. It matches my dress. Yay! We're gonna twirly moment. So that's our video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah.